What up guys, what's going on? Digital Slang, welcome back. Mystic White Note 20 Ultra 5G is here in the studio. This is not a review, first look, checking it out. You saw the unboxing already. We're just gonna look at the phone really quick, and then I'll drop another video in a week or two with my full review after I use it. I will be throwing my SIM in it tonight, right after this video. So let's check it out. This is the white version. It does come in the Mystic Bronze as well as black, but I had to go with the white. It just looked super clean, super smooth, so I wanted to check it out. Now also in the box, a little different this year, right? We're not getting some of the things that we usually get, but let's see what we do get. So inside of here, get a quick reference guide, get the most out of your phone, Samsung Care, and then terms and conditions, and that is basically it. And inside the box, we do get our fast charger. Now this is a little different this year, only 25 watts of fast charge, so your phone will be fully charged in about an hour, and I'll let you know how that goes as we get into it. And there used to be some adapters in here. You know what's funny is that we still get the actual packaging for the Note series like it used to be, but this is just, I mean, this is pointless, right? There's nothing in here. There's no adapters in here, no nothing. It's just an empty box inside of an empty box. So if they're not going to give us the adapters and everything, take it out of the box. I don't even want it in the box. Change up your packaging. Come on, man. Inside of here, we do have our USB Type-C to charge. And what I do like is that they do color coordinate. The white version gets the white cable and the white charging brick. So very cool again. USB Type-C to charge. No AKG earbuds this time around. But the good news is when you do pre-order, not only do they give you money for a trade-in, but they do give you credit for the store. So I was able to pick up the Buds Live in white. Now I'm not going to open these up right now. I will have a video reviewing these and unboxing these very shortly, but we're just going to put this to the side and we're going to take a look at the star of the show, the Mystic White, the Note 20 5G variant, Note 20 Ultra. I don't want to say Note 20 because the Note 20 is a plastic phone. This is not that. Now we do have a stainless steel frame on here all the way around the edge and the Gorilla Glass on here. It is called Victus this year, right? So we've gone past Gorilla Glass 5 and 6. We move on to Victus, and that's what this is called, Gorilla Glass Victus. And this phone is super clean, and that's why I wanted it. I had the Note 10 Plus and I love that phone, but I wanted to check this out. I was very intrigued by this phone, and I wanted the white version because last year I got the black. So this year I wanted to try something different, and I didn't want the Mystic Bronze, well, because everybody's getting the Mystic Bronze, so I wanted the white. I just always like a white phone as long as it has the black front. So I had to check it out. Now this phone does feel premium, but it's not very heavy. At least I don't think it's very heavy. It looks a lot heavier, being that it's a really big phone, 6.9-inch display on here, and it's only 208 grams. So it doesn't feel very heavy. Now the one thing that I don't really know why they did this, they did move the S Pen to the other side of the phone. It's always been on, if you're staring at the phone, it's always been on the right side. Now it is on the left, and they do color coordinate your S Pen with the color of the phone. So that is always a very cool thing. Now on the side here, we do have some buttons. We do have our volume rocker here. We also have our power button, and this is our sleep button as well. On the bottom, our USB port to charge, our speaker and a mic, and of course the S Pen. And on the top of the phone, we do have our SIM card tray. It does have expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. So that's why you only need to get the 128 gig variant, right? Because you can just throw expandable storage in it and get another terabyte. So really good deal. And plus I think the upgraded version with more storage is about $300 more. So just go with the base model, 128 gigs of storage, and you can upgrade it if you really want to. Now the camera hump. Take a look at the camera hump. Look, some people think it's huge. Others think it looks okay. It's not that different. It might be a little bigger than most of the camera bumps we've seen, but it's not that much bigger than the rest. but I like the look. I think it looks sharp. I like the silverish look on there with the white. I think, again, super clean. I think it looks fantastic. Now, 3 lenses on here. We do have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 108 megapixel main camera, and then another 12 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. And this does improve on the focusing from the Galaxy S20 Ultra. We know about the problems with that camera on there and the 100 times zoom. This is now 50 times, and they did change this to a laser system for better focusing. So we will be trying that out and taking some 50 times zoom photos when we do the testing. And again, I'll drop a full video, a full review in about a week or two. We're going to try this phone out for a little while and check it out. Now, first impressions on the display. This is the best display I've ever seen on any phone anywhere, hands down. It is beautiful. It looks amazing. 120 hertz refresh rate, and it does work really good. Very smooth, very responsive. We're going to try it out and we'll get into it again with the full review. I'm not going to get into it much more than that today. Now again, 6.9 inch display, 1440 by 3088, a 19.9 ratio. And for the PPI patrol out there, because I know you're watching, 498 PPI on the phone. And again, this is the best display that I've seen on any phone, hands down, to date. It's just a beautiful display. And you can go into settings and you can change the display. You can save some battery life on here. And speaking of battery life, this does have a 4500 milliamp battery. So it's not as big as you would like for a Note series phone, right? This phone is made for heavy usage, but we'll see. We'll test it out and see if I can get a full day out of it. Normally I can with a Note series phone, but we'll try it out. Now this is the US variant, so we are getting the Snapdragon 865 Plus, the better chipset inside of the phones. Bluetooth 5.0, again, it does support 5G. Not that that really is an issue right now because we're just not ready for 5G. Basically, it's only available in certain areas. But overall, I am definitely excited to get into this phone. The white, Mystic White version of the Note 20 Ultra. I think it looks very clean. I think it looks sharp. You are going to really feel like you're holding one of the best phones out there. It does feel very premium in your hands. And again, the display, second to none. Best display so far that I've seen on any phone. But overall, look, it's a good first step. Again, I will be dropping a lot more videos, a lot more content about this phone, the Pixel 4a, the iPhone SE. All those videos are coming. And we're going to compare. We're going to compare this phone in future videos to the 4a, right? Do we really need a $1,300 phone in today's world? We're going to check it out. But right now, this thing, it looks really nice, looks really good, powerful, made for the heavy user. We're going to try it out. But first impressions, I'm excited about it. So the Mystic White Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, guys, check it out. I'll drop more videos soon. I'll be back in another week or two with the full review on this phone. But that's it. Hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back soon. Peace.